let's go ahead and configure a new scan. Let's select here a Policy Compliance Auditing template. I am presented here with a few settings that I need to input data into. So the name for the scan is going to be the first thing. I'm going to move my scan into my Oracle DB results. This is the IP address for my host. I will now go ahead and provide some credentials because all of the compliance checks require credentials. The type of scan that we're doing today is a database scan. So let's go ahead and click here and switch over to the database selection. From the database selection, I'm going to select Oracle. I'm going to do a password authentication so I know the account. The account is the system account, or sys, sorry, not the same as system. The port, the password, right? The port number, the system authentication type, the database authentication type. And then for service type, I'm going to specify the SID. Next, we're going to move over here to the compliance tab. Let's go ahead and click compliance. My option for this short presentation is going to be the CIS Oracle Server 12C. Let's go ahead and select that one. And for this, for the purpose of this short presentation, I'm not going to change any other settings on the scan. Now let's go ahead and click save. Now that we're back to the scan screens or my scans screen. So I need to actually click that launch button here. You should see the scan for a moment, turn onto the pending status, and then it's going to actually start running. As you can see, it just finished. It's ready for us to review those results. Let's go ahead and click here. And here are my results. We did a compliance scan, CIS, Oracle 12 Charlie Release 2 database audit against one host, and the compliance area, the compliance side of the house, is where we have all those either pass or fails or warnings that come back from the Nessus scan. But all those are the checks that go against the security controls recommended by the Center for Internet Security, for example. So looking into that result, 1.2 says that all passwords are on the default, right? We haven't changed anything here. So let's go into that result, and we're going to see a couple of details here. It's pointing out a description, it's pointing out a solution, and the how to, you have different ways to change those passwords on the system, but it's also pointing out the reference from the benchmark. So the cissecurity.org files 2121, that is the one talking about the Oracle database server 12 Charlie traditional audit.